A lot of folks think Social Security is just a monthly check you get when you hit a certain age. But if you don't understand the basics, you could miss out on thousands of dollars over time. In this video, I'll walk you through what Social Security really is, how it works in 2025, and what you should know before you file. No confusing terms, just plain English you can use. Let's start with the big picture. Social Security isn't just a check in the mail. It's a program you've paid into for years through your working life. It's made up of retirement benefits, disability benefits, and survivor's benefits for your family. Most people think they're getting back their own money, but it's not a savings account. It's more like a shared insurance plan. Today's workers pay in, and today's retirees receive benefits. When you retire, the cycle continues with younger workers supporting you. As of 2025, over 70 million Americans are getting Social Security. That's a big system, and it relies on steady contributions. One of the most common questions I hear is, when should I start taking my benefits? You can start as early as age 62, but your benefits will be lower. If you wait until full retirement age, around 66 or 67, depending on your birth year, and you'll get your full benefit. And if you can wait a little longer until 70, you'll get your biggest possible check. That's thanks to delayed retirement credits. It's a personal choice. Some folks need the income earlier, while others hold off to stretch that monthly check. Now, you might be wondering, how do they even figure out how much you get? Social Security uses your highest 35 years of earnings, adjusts for inflation, and runs a formula on it. If you didn't work for 35 years, they average in zeros, which pulls things down a bit. That's why continuing to work a few more years, even part-time, can help raise that average. Also, there's a cap. As of 2025, the maximum benefit is based on high earnings over a long period. Not everyone qualifies for it. Beyond age and earnings, some other things can change your benefit amount. If you file early and keep working, you could hit the earnings limit, and some of your benefit might be withheld temporarily. Spousal or widow benefits are another piece. If you're divorced or your partner passed, you might be eligible for a portion of their benefit. Taxes can also come into play. Up to 85% of your benefit may be taxable depending on your income in retirement. And every January, benefits usually adjust to keep up with inflation. That's called a cost of living adjustment, or COLA. Okay, let's put all of this together. Remember earlier when we talked about waiting until 70 for the highest check? That's part of planning smarter, not harder. I see people stress out over this decision. But once you understand how it works, it feels a lot less overwhelming. Social Security is just one piece of your bigger retirement puzzle. And now, you've got a clearer view of that piece. What this really comes down to is knowing when and how to claim Social Security for your unique situation. Here's a quick action plan to make it easier. If this video helped you feel a little more in control, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only and not personal financial advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.